And here is Rowan County, Kentucky clerk Kim Davis being confronted by a guy who wants to get married to his longtime boyfriend. It is law of the land now. The Supreme Court has said so. Somehow, this clerk, Kim Davis, I want to remind you, she's working for the county, as in the government. She's not working for her church. She's not working for her charitable organization. She has a job, and I don't think she swore on the Constitution or swore to uphold the Constitution. But it is her job to do. If she has a reason why she can't do her job, then she shouldn't do it. I mean, if you're an Orthodox Jew, you don't go and take a job as the fill-in for the county clerk on Saturdays. Because you know I'm not going to be able to do that. And here is Kim Davis being confronted about doing her job.
Order that you're supposed to issue marriage license.
And we're not issuing marriage
The
licenses
Supreme
today.
Court denied your say.
We are not issuing marriage licenses today. So
Based on what?
I would ask you all to
Why are you not
go ahead
issuing
and
marriage licenses today?
Because I'm not.
Under
Why?
whose authority are you not issuing
Under
licenses?
God's authority.
Did your lawyers tell you?
Did God tell you to do this? Did God
I
tell
don't
you to
believe
treat
in God.
us
I don't
like
believe in
this?
I've
God.
asked you all to leave. You are interrupting my
You can call the
business.
police if you want us to leave. You can call the police. I pay your salary. I pay your salary. I pay you to discriminate against me right now. That's what I'm paying for. That's what I'm paying for. I'm paying for this memory with my partner that I love, that I've been with for 17 years. What's the longest you've been with someone, that you've been married to someone?
I'm asking you to leave.
Wow. And that last sound you heard was God coming down and swept her up in a vortex. I mean, look, here's the point. Obviously, something motivated these guys to come to her place of work and not leave, right? So how do you enforce the trespass laws on them? God tells me to do. I mean, she's breaking the law. How do you justify, they want the cops to come. Now, it is possible. Maybe God is paying her bills, maybe. But I'm sorry. If you can't do it, then you have a responsibility to find it in your budget, to find somebody who does. If you cannot prevent that office from doing its job. If you really can't do it, if it disgusts you that much, if God has told you not to do it, then God should have also said, incidentally, here's somebody you can call who can pick up the slack. If you need a job swap, if you need a shift swap, I got the inside track. I'm God. And I happen to know who's going to be available tomorrow at 2 p.m. I have a whole list. Just go sit at your computer. Don't turn it on. I'll have the list show up on the screen. I'm going to come to you in the form of George Burns. He's passed away, but don't worry.